Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Pinterest, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a pin on Pinterest? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a pin on Pinterest anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're making money online, you know that Pinterest is a great source for traffic, and the very root of it is creating pins on Pinterest. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Pinterest app. It's this red and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Pinterest app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened my Pinterest. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to make a pin on Pinterest, you need to click on the profile icon down here on the bottom right. It's called Saved. Once you do that, you will see your profile on Pinterest. So if you have a typical Pinterest account, you're going to go ahead and click on this plus icon to make a pin on Pinterest. You can also go through the Creator Hub if you have access to this. We're going to go through that next, but first I'm going to show you here. So I'm going to click on plus. Once you do that, in order to make a pin on Pinterest, you want to go ahead and click on pin. It looks like a little thumbtack. Once you do that, it will show you all of the photos that you can choose from your device. So for me, I only gave access to this one photo, so I'm going to go ahead and click on there. Once you've chosen the photo that you'd like to make a pin with on Pinterest, click on this red next button here on the top right. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add in the keyword information and description for your pin that you're making on Pinterest. So if you do use Pinterest as a way to make money online, I do recommend that you go ahead and fill this out completely, because it is more likely that you're going to show up on the Pinterest search as long as all this information is filled out. You don't want to go ahead and put information that doesn't apply to your particular pin. So for example, if you have a cat pin, you don't want to load up the keywords with dog, because it's going to hurt you in the search if it's not matching up. So first you want to go ahead and put in a title. So let me go ahead and just write a title. Let's do rental contract. Next you want to go ahead and get a description. If you're having trouble coming up with this, go ahead and just jump over to ChatGPT and it can go ahead and prompt you on a description. Okay, so I went ahead and typed that in here. Next you want to go ahead and add in the link. Now one thing I noticed is with Pinterest, if you use Bitly or link shorteners, they don't really like that. So you want to be sure to link into your particular website or your other social media profile. You don't want to link directly to an affiliate link. Next, you can go ahead and choose a board if you have different boards that are set up. I don't have another board set up, so I'm just going to leave it here on my profile. Here you can go ahead and tag different topics. So for example, this one, we're going to go ahead and just type in real estate. And then once you type in a keyword, you can go ahead and just start clicking on the different tags that might apply to that particular pin that we're putting on Pinterest. Make sure that it's relevant, and then you want to go ahead and click on done. Next, you can go ahead and add product tags if this happens to be product related. And next you can go ahead and schedule this pin on Pinterest. You can publish immediately, or you can go ahead and future date that if you wish to do so. For me, I'm going to go ahead and publish immediately. And then also here, you need to disclose if you have any brand relations or anything that's been paid for you to post this pin. This one is not, but if so, you want to go ahead and check the box that applies. And that's pretty much it. Once you're ready to go ahead and pin your photo on Pinterest, click on this create button down here on the bottom right. It's in red. Okay, just a quick second later, the profile refreshes, and now you can see that I have made a pin to my Pinterest account. It is here under created. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to make a pin on Pinterest, that's the easiest way through the profile screen. Now, if you have the Creator Hub, you're just going to be doing basically the same thing. You just go into Creator Hub, and then it's going to bring your tracking performance, and then you're just going to go ahead and click on the plus icon, and you can see it just goes back to basically the same thing we went through, except for you're going through the Creator Hub. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to make a pin on Pinterest, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.